Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to post a job on Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here, and after opening up Indeed, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page. And now to be able to post a job, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and sign into your account. So we can do that by clicking the sign in button that's going to go ahead and appear right here in the upper right corner. Click on sign in, and after signing into your account or creating a new one if you do not have one already, after logging in, now you'll be back at this home page right here. So guys, as you can see, there are two ways to get started. The first option is, as you can see right here in the middle of the page, is it says employers post a job. So guys, you can go ahead and click this if you have never posted a job as an employer before. But if you do not see this option right here, then what you can do is you can go ahead and click this option in the upper right corner that says employer post job. Click on this guys, and it's going to go ahead and open up the exact same thing as right here, where it will take you to this new page where you can see now you can enter in your company name, your number of employees, for your info and so on, and you can enter in all the info such as what is the job, what is the pay, so on, doesn't matter, and you can post that right here guys. And after that, just go ahead and proceed to all the steps, and after that you'll be able to successfully post your job, and Indeed and other employees will be able to see it. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.